I have 2 avocado seeds that I got from a store-bought avocado that I'm getting ready to plant. It's the bottom part of it. They say you put the bottom part of it with the top part sticking up down in the soil. I'm gonna dig a little hole here for it and cover it up and watch avocado grow. Okay, avocado. Come on. Grow for us. Make sure the bottom part is down. I soaked it in some water for about an hour. They say soak it in some water for about an hour before you plant it in the soil, and it'll help it to germinate faster. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Okay, new spot for my avocado tree.